Ho, Uncle Nudge here. I'm at home. Maybe you don't recognize me here. There we go. I'm at home, and I was at the Marysville Rock Gem Club meeting last night. And I took a few short videos just to kind of give you a feel of what it's like to go there and kind of what your opportunities are. And they're really good. Okay, I'm sitting down at my editing desk, and I have a 47-inch monitor that I watch while I'm editing. And all these things down here is the different clips I took at the Rock Club meeting, and some of my standard intros and stuff. And I'll look at this, and then I'll do a voiceover. I have the crowd noise of actually being there, and just explain what you see. And let's get on with it. So here's the club. There's probably I gotta guess 125 people there last night, and usually starts about 7. And here's Austin. He's in charge of a bunch of field trips, plans them out. He's just talking about where the next one's going to be on January 25th, and they'll be all year. Meetings are second Tuesday of the month, except July. There's no meeting. And to join, it's $10 for a year only. Crazy cheap. And you get to meet all these rockhounders like me. You get to go on the field trips. And this is a show and tell table, which I'll talk about here in a minute. And had some people from my rock channel, UncleNudgeRocks, come and talk to me. I asked for some suggestions. Oh, thank you, Donnie. Here's Donnie. I'm going to put these on. He's on the side of my bucket. I talked about him. And they do a silent auction every Tuesday at the meeting. And you just put your bid down. This can be some awesome stuff. And let's see. Anyway, I got some nice suggestions. It was great to meet the people from my YouTube channel that came out. And here, there's always a demonstration, usually 20 minutes to maybe 40 minutes. This demonstration was from the Mineral Council, who puts on field trips. And this is stuff from all the 2024 field trips. And also tells the place where they went. And I'm sure that they'll go to these places again. But you have just some rock hounding experts going out and guiding these tours, and everyone's so nice, definite family. And this is the way to find out where all the good stuff is. Join the club. I'm not going to tell where I'm at anymore on the videos. Come to the club. You're going to be blown away by the knowledge you learn. And here's that show and tell table. Do this kind of at the end of the night, and people talk about, you bring something and talk about it for 30 seconds or so, and then there's a prize at the end. You get a little cash and real nice rock. And so I really recommend, it's every second Tuesday of the month except for July. Come out and say hello to me. I got some great suggestions from the people that came out from my YouTube channel. See you next time.